intro.
Can you stop grabbing my head?
No.
How do I point somewhere?
I think it's F.
It's for me. It's Q. Oh, it's Q and F.
Oh wait. There's
Oh,
something
it's
else.
Q
Okay.
for emotes and F for. Okay.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was ripping your head off.
What?
Put the button. Put the button.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, you can step off. Put it on the button.
You. Yeah, I think it's something. It's something we need to do together. So wait. Put it. No. That's all right. Put a portal there.
Yeah. Balling.
I'm so like perplexed. Okay, you get
so
the
what does
ball.
this do?
Put that inside there.
Okay, ball time.
What? Whoa!
What did you just do?
I spawned a cube in. Hey! That's my cube. That's my cube. Hey, don't do. Hey! All right. What? Hey!
I'm not doing anything. That's
Okay.
all you.
You don't have to bounce the. Can you not play basketball? No.
'Cause I'm home.
No.
So I think you're non-pointing.
You know what? No. Come here. Honestly. Dog, what?
What? Wait, hold on. I'll enable the
Yeah.
ball mode.
Yeah, can you enable
I'll enable
ball mode?
Ball mode, yeah.
Alright, you can get rid of it now.
Disable ball mode?
My
Need it
portals
for-
can help the world more.
You need it for ultimate ball mode.
Ultimate ball mode. Ball ultra instinct. Alright.
Okay, hold on. Let me
But we need ball mode to. Do we need ball mode to? Oh no, we don't.
We'll save ball mode.
No, we do though. Whoa! What?
Oh, we go here.
Whoa! Okay, now
You
put your
say-
red one. Put your red one down here. And then I put my reflective box right there.
Yup.
And now the reflective box going in there. And that's it. I put the box in because I'm more of a boxy guy. I put the box in already, so. Wait, well, let's high five in front of the camera. Let's do it like a basketball
Yeah.
player. Honestly,
That's what I was gonna do. I just missed it.
I know gas.
Oh, okay.
I know.
You need. Oh. Okay.
Any turret level, I'm just cracked at.
Yeah, because you're literally placing your portals and then getting mad with. You know what I think of you?
I don't get mad when you place your portals. That ain't gonna do nothing. J-
Oh my gosh, look at the mess of wires here. Oh, it's just like.
Is there anything behind the turrets here?
I'm just-
No, I'm actually checking if there's anything behind the turrets.
There it is.
Oh yeah, go get him. Nah, that ain't doing nothing, J. Hi. Oh!
No!
Oh yeah?
Dude.
Are you
Nice.
still there? Bro was like, are you still there?
Don't think he's still there. Oh. Oh, wait.
Jump, but you won't. Hey! Ouch! Oh, I jumped.
Oh.
Okay, we need to do this carefully. I'll press the button, you go. Alright.
Okay.
Go! Yeah! Alright, now we just need to wait, no. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
You got me. Okay, Marcus. It's a laser? Okay.
Yeah, come on. Alright, get in
Alright, what is-
get in there. Get in there.
Wait,
Just get in. Get in there. Get in. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
This one looks like a level I would make when I was like 8.
Yeah, it's like a portal panels literally everywhere for no reason.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
They okay because we don't know what else to say. Okay. Coming up with good puzzles that involve 4 portals is hard. Yeah. Probably.
I can't do it. No, put your portal up higher.
My portal. Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm just. Okay.
Alright, reverse
Maybe
it.
you
Reverse.
would-
No. No. Oh no, it's all on me. No, no. Put it. Revive it. Revive it. Revive it. Run it back. Run it back.
Revive it? What?
Run it back. Run it back. Wait, Angelo.
Totem of
Angelo,
a
quick.
diet.
I need you here when you do this. Oh my god.
Yes.
Angelo. 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 Yellow. 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 Do it again.
Marcus.
Do it again. Do it again.
Wait, hold on. Who does the least in this scenario? Because I have to wrap around the entire.
We have to, I have to do the least. Look, Angelo,
Oh,
no, no,
okay, so
no,
you
to
do
be
it,
straight,
you do
to
it,
be
you do
straight. No, no, to be straight, to be straight. So, what's gonna happen is that the ball. Okay.
Do it. I'm ready.
Put the yellow, and then get rid of it. Get.
Can't get rid of it though.
Yes, you can. You can replace one of my portals with it. You can replace my dark blue with it.
Wait, but no, because like that'll remove the.
No, it wouldn't because then it. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh no 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 no! I just need to place my dark blue. No, I just need to. I need to place my dark blue over here. Yeah yeah yeah.
Wait.
No, reverse
No,
it, and
no.
I need to. Yes yes, that
Wait,
literally
Oh
works.
my gosh. Wait, hold on.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
No, I'm more used to getting the wisp, so I want it.
Okay.
Go, do it. I know exactly what to do now.
Okay, which portal do I replace?
My light blue. Now. Oh my
Oh, wait, I have to replace the
You
light
have to
blue. Okay, I get it.
No.
Okay, no, you can't. Because you were interrupting me while I was trying to juggle. And you didn't even say you were back. Oh. Oh, I separated them though. What? Okay, center your portal. Marcus!
Oh wait, and then I have to put my dark blue one there.
No, I think I have to put my portal there.
No.
No.
Oh no, I think it's all on me. No, yeah, you put your red one there. And yeah. All you need to do is get the cube out. I need to do more.
Okay. That's not my bad.
My bad. Alright, go.
Why is it constipated?
No! That was close. Come on, again. We're close. Can you go, actually? I have to go soon.
Welcome to the outro. You finished watching the video. Now watch my Twitch or else, die.